Introduce short overview by voice or pictures of ENGiNDOT 2100 psi 1.8 GPM, power washer with 5 spray nozzles, pressure cleaner machine with total stop system for cleaning stair, car, driveway, garden, deck, fence, and more. Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. We will introduce outstanding features in fast time, with illustrations and descriptions of ENGiNDOT 2100 psi 1.8 GPM, power washer with 5 spray nozzles. If you are searching for ENGiNDOT 2100 psi 1.8 GPM power washer with 5 spray nozzles, it is recommended that you do not miss it. But, if you think in this video there are not enough details, you want ENGiNDOT 2100 psi 1.8 GPM, power washer with 5 spray nozzles more details? If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.